Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I'm going to do a general love reading for the sign Scorpio. Scorpio people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Okay, so Scorpio, first of all, I'm going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy, then we'll proceed with your readings. Okay. So Scorpio, you are being somebody who is feeling detached, who is feeling sad. Okay, you must be feeling depressed right now because you feel that nothing is going on in your life. Okay, perhaps you must be feeling anxious at nights. You must be going through some nightmares in your life right now. Okay, you are worried about something. Okay, and that's why you are unable to sleep, you are unable to talk freely with the people around you. Okay, so something is bothering you basically, Scorpio. On the other hand, we have Four of Swords in reverse. It means your person who was in a deep sleep in past, okay, or who was, you know, giving you this kind of indication that I'm not interested, or the person who was pretending that hey, I'm sleeping right now, that person is wide awake right now. They must be disappeared from your life, and they are planning to come back. They are out from this energy, Four of Swords. They are no more taking rest, they are no more sleeping, they are no more hiding themselves. Okay, they don't want to play hide and seek game. I feel that they must have been, disappeared all of a sudden from your life, and that's why you were feeling anxious, that's why you were feeling worried. But you need not to worry at all, because this person is out from this energy, and I'm sure that they are definitely going to take certain action towards you. All right, now let's see, Scorpio, what is the current energy, or what is the mutual energy of this relationship. The Miser. Scorpio, it's completely, it's you are being this miser. Okay, you do not want to lose this person at any cost. You don't want to, you are completely afraid that you feel that somebody is going to snatch this person from you. Okay, so you are just wanting to be, you are just being very, very protective towards this person and for this person. Okay, and yes, I told you that you are being somebody who is very, very depressed right now. So you must not be talking to your loved ones. You must not be talking to your friends. And you have created a wall just around just around you, that hey, this is my territory. You should not enter. All right. Okay. Now, Scorpio, I'm going to pick 3 cards for you to check what your person thinks about you, what actions they are taking towards you right now, and what actions they are going to take towards you in future. Past life, sorrow, isolation. Okay, so with this past life cards, it seems like your person they are being somebody who things about you that you have, if you are going through some tough time, then you must have done something, and that's why you are just going through all your karmas. Okay, you are just, so your karma is taking basically, is teaching you something right now. Okay, and or perhaps you are being somebody, or that's how your person thinks about you, that you are being somebody who is into this karma thing very much. Okay, you always believe in karma, so you always try to do good karmas, because you don't want to be, you don't want to take this karma on, for granted, because you know the fact that the moment I'll make any sin, I'll make any mistake, I have to pay this karma. Okay, so they see you as somebody who is always into this karma thing. Okay, all right. Sorrow. This is your partner's current energy. It seems like they were also completely feeling sorry about something. Okay, and they have, their aura is like so sad and so negative that none can touch them. Okay, their aura is so strong and so negative at this point of time, and so sad that they are not able to free themselves from this negative energy. Okay, even though some people and divine is trying to say something to them, but they are choosing to ignore it. Okay, basically they are just choosing to ignore their heart's voice, and that's why they are not doing or not taking any action towards you. Okay, see this light, the stars are coming just above their head, but the thing is that they are into their own sorrow energy, that they are not able to see what's coming into their life, and this is the reason they are not talking to you right now, or they must not, or they are not taking any action towards you. All right. Okay, now the third card is isolation. Scorpio, I feel that this person is not going to take any action towards you in future as well, not far but in your near future as well. Okay, because they are going through this sorrow kind of energy right now, and they have just wake up from this energy, Four of Swords, so they'll take their own time to be out from this energy. Okay, they must have, I mean, they'll be going through their own guilts, they must be going through their own mistakes, what they have done on, and how things have turned around. Okay, so they will take some time, but they will definitely going to come and talk to you, or they are definitely going to take some action towards you. Okay, now let's see what is the message for you from divine, what angels are asking you to do right now. Within the next few months, I told you, it's not that I'm saying that they won't take any action, so they won't take any action, or they won't take any action in future. It means, I mean, they are definitely going to they take some action towards you, but you need to be patient. Okay, within the next few months, angels are saying that you are definitely going to hear something from them. All right. So Scorpio, I feel that some of you could be dealing with air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, with this Nine of Swords and Four of Swords in reverse, with this sorrow cards and with this isolation card, and some of you could be dealing with earth sign, Taurus, or Capricorn, with this miser card. All right. Okay, so Scorpio, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Goodbye.